So this weekend here in our small town in north central Arkansas, we had some really amazing cars invade our little town. I start talking to some of the people, and it turns out that they're part of a group called the Boston Mountains Tour. Now, this was started, I gather, back in like 2005. From what I gather, it was started by a group of Honda S2000 enthusiasts that wanted to just drive their cars up here in North Arkansas and Southern Missouri up in the mountains in these really cool roads. Over the years, it has grown into not just a Honda S2000 rally, but really anyone. We had some great cars here. They basically showed up Friday and they left Sunday morning. Everyone says it's like a weekend of bliss, whether you're a gearhead or a twisty road addict. It's definitely not for the quarter mile at a time crowd. It's a full day of driving on a greatly planned route through north central Arkansas. They just happened to invade our little town and make it headquarters for the weekend, so it was really cool. Got to talk to a lot of them. I didn't know anything about it, or I probably would have joined them, but they do this every spring and every fall. So I was invited by a couple of guys to come out. Hey, you should come out and join us with the Z4, and I think I will this fall if I don't have anything going on that weekend. But it was really fun to talk to these guys. Some great cars. Obviously, we had a lot of Honda S2000s, a lot of Miatas here, a bunch of Porsches. You had Ferraris, you had Corvettes, you had McLarens, Lamborghinis, a really badass 1971 Datsun 240Z. Now this car has sentimental value to my heart. My dad had a 260 and a 280, and so I love the old Datsun designs. Great cars. An NSX from 1991, Acura NSX was really cool. And obviously you had some BMWs. So it was a really cool time to hang out with these guys a little bit, talk to them for a little bit, see the great cars, and know that, yeah, there's a lot of cool car people that just like driving around and on cool curvy roads and not trying to go really fast, but just enjoying their cars in a beautiful setting. So I'm hoping to join them maybe in the fall. Really looking forward to it. But yeah, it was a cool weekend here in our little town of Arkansas that we were invaded by some really cool cars. So guys, go check out the Boston Mountains Tour if you're interested. But yeah, go check them out. And if you're a car enthusiast and you don't mind coming to Arkansas and Southern Missouri, then I'm sure they'd love to have you. Until next time, guys, don't dream it, drive it.